Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how log out OneDrive PC laptop. We are going to click on the OneDrive icon in the taskbar. When doing so, click on the gear and then choose Settings. Now in the section Account, you are going to click on the line Unlink this PC. In the pop-up window, click on Unlink Account. Thus, you will close the OneDrive session on your PC or laptop. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.